Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you that how you can add the access into your page, how you can add the editor or the manager in your Facebook page. So let's get started. So first of all, what we have to do, simply we have to go to the Facebook. So I'm going to open the Facebook app here. So as you can see, after opening the Facebook app, we have to go to the menu section. And after going to the menu section, simply we have to choose the page, that in which page we want to add a manager or the editor. For example, I want to add in this H6 Digital Services. So as you can see, now we have to switch this page, and now we have to go to the menu again, and then simply we have to click on the settings again. And after clicking on the settings, as you can see, simply we have to scroll down and we will be able to see the page setup option. So we have to click on the page setup. So as you can see, after clicking on the page setup, now simply we have to go to the page access, and after going to the page access, as you can see, now currently you will be able to see all the accesses here. If you want to add a new one, simply you have to click on the add new, and now we have to go to the next option. And now we have to select the username here. For example, which user you want to add. For example, I'm gonna add this user. Let's search for this. That user must be in your friend list. So I'm gonna select this one here, and now simply we have to click on this give access. We have to choose this, and now simply we have to click on this give access, and the invitation will be sent. We have to enter the password here. We have to click on the confirm, and the invitation will be sent to the user. So in this way you can add the access in the Facebook page. I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can do that. So see you in the next video.